Prior to going to Hampton University, I had never met a black airline pilot. If you see it, you can achieve it. That's a real thing. And so us together, we maybe didn't see it outside of us, but us, we could see it in each other.
And we're flying. All about this. Approach Malibu 691.
We knew that it was going to be a little more difficult for us because of our skin color, and we wanted to make sure that that was not going to be the obstacle, that we were going to be the best we could be, or even better than others.
It's incredible that we are in the position now to affect the trajectory of the next generation's path.
I think travel in general for young African Americans to just go to another state or even go to another country and experience what other people have to offer in different cultures, it opens up a world for that individual. Aviate is a great program that United has put together, and it will help increase diversity in the cockpit.
The fact that we all ended up here at United is kind of like a storybook ending, because this is where we all dreamt of being. This dream has gone beyond our love of flying. It's become a love for each other. We're always there for each other, and always will be.